Bad boy mode है कसमें.
Hello, Jungly.
Astaghfirullah.
I am here from the year 2080. The Prime Minister of the UK is a talking donkey. Obviously no different to what we've had from previous years. Men have turned into khusre and women now have mucha and hairy toes and lips the size of a bouncy castle. Donald Trump is a talking tui. Aliens have invaded my koti in Pakistan and my wife is still feeding me dal from 2025. I am here to stop her.
Lalu.
This is what happens when you listen to Chahat Fateh Ali Khan on repeat.
Khushi, I wanted to go for a cruise.
Wait. God. No soy tu, continue.
Smashed it.
Dafao.